Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, the law is... Luke, can you say it this time since I'm getting way too bored of saying this?
So this goofball, this little goofball...
Okay, yeah, can you be serious?
Called your mom just kidding.
No, he didn't have that. We're not going to help. Luke, I'm distracted him.
Alright.
Tell them. Look, it's very good at
he was like drinking loads of bad things what you shouldn't do.
Oh, no one says you can't drink.
Yeah.
But it's just not too much at one time.
Yeah, but he was doing loads.
And
How naughty is that?
Oh, I thought I killed all the fridges then. Anyways, Luke, keep telling the story.
And one day he was taking his family home from a long day at the Wish.com Hall. No, the Lighter Hall of Fame.
It was his momentum. It was his amazing day. And he got to build...
because he made lighters. He put the fuel in them and stuff.
Yeah, and he also delivered them. So
Yeah.
they went home in his delivery truck, but then something bad happened. He drank too many.
And he was taking them home from... Oh, one sec. Can you stop recording quickly?
Yeah, we'll continue.